So ladies man 217 said, fam, why you got so many accounts? Because I've got so much content in that. I can only upload 3 videos a day per account, really. I mean, I've uploaded like 5, maybe 6 videos max a day in it. But you can only really upload about 3 videos a day. I've got so much videos just sitting there waiting. I'm like, yo, let me make more accounts in that. Plus, one day, some of my accounts are going to get taken down. So I'm not waiting. I'm not going to build up my account and almost get to 10K followers and then they take my account down. And then I have to start off from 0. Nah. Yeah, I like to always have contingencies. Imagine, how would you feel if you have one account, 5,000, 50,000 followers, whatever, and it gets taken down, then you have to start from 0. You're going to be vexed. Where's the motivation to keep going? Now, me, I'm a man, I can have everything taken from me and still keep going in that. But you know what? I'd rather not even be in that position. So yeah, let's say they take away one of my accounts. Let's say they take away the account that's got the most followers at the moment, which is this one here, 8,400 and something. Should be about 80,000, 4,000, yeah, 84,000 and something. But anyways, 8,400 and something. They take away this account, and that's the only account I got, but I'm pissed. But if they take away this account, blah, I've got 4 or 5 more accounts. It's like, okay, I took a big hit, but you know what? Man still got more bullets in the chamber. So that's how I like to think. Imagine, yeah, you have a girl and you break up with your girl and you ain't got an abundance mindset. You don't know how to be on your own and that. Bam, if that one girl that you've got leaves you, bro, you're going to be pissed. You're going to be depressed, whatever. And that. Depression is not real, but you're going to feel like you're depressed, yeah? As opposed to, okay, your main chick leaves you, but you got 3 other girls on the side. It's not going to be that hard to sleep at night, you know? So, yeah, always have backup plans and that. So, I mean, how hard is it to just keep building? And I find it's a game to me. I find it fun. Let me build up other accounts and that. All I'm doing is just pushing buttons. That's it. I'm literally just texting on my phone. I get the video. I put the title of the video. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Or 40-year-old pussy-o is complaining that, you know, he can't get accounts for us and that. Whatever. Put that as the title. Then the same thing. Mentoring available. Patreon JY's TV. YouTube JY's TV. Do that 3 times a day. Across 5 accounts. That it is mad though, having to keep up with uploading 3 videos a day on 6 accounts. Some of the accounts, I upload a video, it gets 0 views. So sometimes TikTok limits the accounts for whatever dumb reason. I heard that allegedly TikTok would deliberately limit the accounts, so give you 0 views or like 4 or 5 views in that, so that you pay for ads and that. Yo, TikTok is not gonna bully me into paying for ads. Fuck off, mate.